Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download Windows 11 as an ISO file. To begin, let's open our browser. So after opening our browser, we are going to type download Windows 11. Next, make sure that you are clicking on the website where there is the logo of Microsoft Windows, and mostly it will show download Windows 11. We're just going to click on it, and we will download the little tool which will allow us to do what we want to. Here it says Windows 11 installation. They want to download it, but for me I usually go directly to create Windows 11 installation media, and we click download now. Once the download is done, click on it to open and wait until Windows shows you the message, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. If you get any error, you want to go back again and double click twice on the little tool. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can always click yes. Make sure that you are connected to the internet through the whole process. This operation of getting things ready will take up to maximum 1 minute, and then we'll be prompted to choose the next option. Here it gives us applicable notices and license terms. I invite you to read through if you want. Otherwise, I will just click accept. And again, this operation will take just a few seconds, and then we'll be prompted to choose the language of our Windows 11. At this stage, Windows detected automatically the language of my computer. Here I'm using English, so it gave me the English version, edition Windows 11. And here, if you want to change the language, just untick use the recommended options for this PC. And here you can change to whatever language you want. And as a next step, click next. Here you will have two options. You can either download ISO file. You will need to burn the ISO file to a DVD later, or to a USB flash drive, or even an SD card. Or you can use this first option, which allows you to automatically download and set up Windows 11 into a USB flash drive or to an SD card. So at this stage, I'm going to select ISO file and click next. Here we will locate where we want to save our Windows 11. So downloads, and just click save. Things will start getting ready. The download will take place. You will need to wait between 5 to 8 minutes as a maximum time, and then your Windows will be ready. Once everything is done, you can close this window once everything is done. However, we will wait and I will show you how it looks like at the end. So now the process is done, you can go ahead and click finish. And now we're going to check the final result. And we will start by proceeding as following. So just open your download file, and there you will find the Windows 11 downloaded from the official website. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.